As you just seen, it is a weather impact alert day, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go straight over to meteorologist Aviana Smith. What are some of the impacts we can see with this?
Potential power outages, Micah, due to those high winds, as well as if any fires are sparked, they could continue to spread across our viewing area. So that's why we are weather impact alert, dealing with the threat for fire danger and high winds today. Here's our view outside in Killeen, where we're already seeing the effects of the breezy conditions. Winds push in out of the south-southeast up to 13 miles per hour. A current temperature of 64 right now, so it feels nice to start the day, comfortable for sure. And as we take our look in Temple, wind speeds are up to 22 miles per hour. We start the day off with some cloudy conditions. Partly cloudy skies are expected throughout our morning. 65 degrees right now here in Temple. Again, temperature-wise, it's going to be another warm day, but what we are preparing for is the threat for fire danger and high winds. A wind advisory will go in effect at 7 a.m. this morning, lasting through 7 p.m. tonight. Again, for those areas shaded in this deep orange color here, but all of us, remember, are under this wind advisory. You can't see it because the red flag warning is taken over now at 11 a.m. through 9 p.m. tonight, and this red flag warning means that there is a critical threat for wildfire danger today. And with the very dry conditions that we still are dealing with, here's our new updated drought monitor, and we're staying abnormally dry over much of our viewing area. As we look south of I-35, they're dealing with abnormally dry, severe, and even seeing some extreme drought conditions push in looking near Lano, but the rest of us still staying dry across our viewing area. So everyone, even if you're not under the current burn bans that are in place, need to avoid outdoor burning. As we take a check of our current burn bans that are in effect, these are also where some fires have already been sparked in Bell County as well as near San Saba. So again, please avoid outdoor burning to ensure that not only you stay safe, but your neighbors. Again, these winds could pick up these fires and carry them miles down the road as we deal with winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour. So another thing to think about is securing your outdoor items as you avoid outdoor burning. Remember that these dry conditions aren't going to let up anytime soon. We don't have any rain at all in the forecast, so be sure to dispose of your smoking items and don't let any change drag the ground. You don't want to try to spark a fire in any way because, again, it could spread very easily and quickly. Now we're dealing with breezy conditions pushing in for our Friday, so that means we can also see dust pushing in once again from the west. We've seen that last time, and this is an actual view from outside where I live, how dusty it was as we step through the day, and this could be the view once again stepping into the afternoon and evening. For the morning, like I said, we're going to hang on to partly cloudy conditions, 64 degrees throughout 7 o'clock. By lunchtime today, we'll see sunny skies, but it could be a hazy view. Temperatures increasing up to 81 degrees and a high of 87 expected. Staying sunny and very breezy throughout our 3 p.m. hour. So again, be mindful of the dusty conditions, securing your outdoor items, and as well as prepping for the chance for power outages. You want to gather candles, flashlights, batteries. Again, making sure that you have something cold to drink. Think of things like that, as the power outages could, cause your refrigerator to go out, and it could last several hours as we deal with winds again gusting up to 60 miles per hour later on this afternoon. Now we are weather impact alert because of that. Today we increased to a high of 87. Tomorrow we're taking a 10-degree temperature drop because today also brings us a cold front. Now this front will be dry, so not expected to see any rainfall from this front, but it will drop temperatures down into the weekend into the mid to upper 70s. Sunny skies continue stepping into next week with a high of 81 on our Monday, and then breezy conditions pick right back up into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and then we drop down into the upper 60s by next Thursday. Now remember, we're weather impact alert, so you can download the free 6+ app to your TVs, where continued coverage will be available throughout the day with any updates and live streams.